everyone, today we are unboxing the Geek Tools KitBox. That's the safety glasses. That's really cool. That's the filling tool. The tweezers. Pliers. Soldering iron tip cleaner. Soldering iron. Solder wire. Soldering iron stand. That's a cool stand. Magnifying glass. Cables. That's a cool box. If you make a robot, you need a Geek Tools KitBox. I will use my other project. And that's the Cyberpunk series MXC 2-light sniper. Oh, that's hard. And the yellow color. LEDs, mini LEDs. Oh, cool. I love MXC. And that's the Cyberpunk series 3D puzzle and 001 hexapod tank. That's great. Ooh. That's a spotter. Wow. That's cool. That's master too. Wow. That's the cool. I love. Goodbye everyone. See you next video.